Welcome to Dashcam Drama, where crazy drivers meet their match and chaos hits the road. From unbelievable crashes to jaw-dropping close calls, every clip proves that one dumb move behind the wheel can cause total disaster. Fasten your seatbelts and enjoy the thrill. This situation is really dangerous. Everyone on the road, remember to keep a safe distance.
Are you okay? Thank you.
Oh, there's been a collision. The car was running and crashed straight into a car parked on the side of the road. The impact was so strong that it flipped over. The orange truck suddenly crashes into the building, knocking down a pillar and sending debris flying everywhere. People inside panic and rush to escape the danger. The white car suddenly crosses into the opposite lane and crashes head-on into the red car. The impact is so strong that both vehicles lift off the ground, scattering debris across the road. At the intersection, two vehicles suddenly collide, causing the cement mixer truck to spin sideways across the road. The strong impact caused the roof to shake and debris to fall onto the ground. The container truck suddenly loses control, veering into the opposite lane and forcing other vehicles to brake sharply. The police officer was in the right place at the right time to save a woman trapped in a burning truck on the highway. The red vehicle crosses the road without checking, getting hit hard by another car and flipping onto its side in the intersection. Nearby pedestrians stop in shock to avoid the danger. Lorry driver at fault, beat red light. Hope the bus driver and the passengers are all right.
Hên à, vô mấy vị. Vô.
The car lost control and jumped onto the sidewalk, crashing straight into an electric pole right next to the restaurant. A woman standing nearby was lucky to escape with just a hair's breadth. On the highway, a wheel suddenly detaches from a moving vehicle, rolling at high speed and colliding with several other cars, triggering a chain reaction crash. The car loses control, veers onto the sidewalk, and only stops after hitting a tree. Fortunately, no one was injured in the incident. On the highway, a car collides with another vehicle, loses control, and flips multiple times across the road, leaving bystanders in shock.
I don't know.
Strong impact caused serious damage to the hood and front bumper. On the snow-covered, slippery road, several vehicles failed to brake in time, causing a chain reaction crash. Many cars skidded uncontrollably, creating chaos along the highway. The strong impact partially collapsed the wall, but fortunately no one was injured. The car suddenly veered onto the roadside and crashed into a marker post, likely because the driver was drowsy and lost focus while driving. The car signaled to overtake, but the vehicle ahead refused to give way and forced it toward the roadside, making the driver brake sharply to avoid a crash. The tense moment unfolded in just a few seconds. A car's tire suddenly burst while moving, sending debris flying dangerously close to a man standing by the roadside. Passengers panicked, but fortunately no serious injuries were reported. For unknown reasons, the car suddenly slowed down on the highway. The violent collision left both vehicles stopped in the lane, with debris scattered across the road. The car was traveling at high speed without keeping a safe distance, crashed hard into the rear of the vehicle ahead, and overturned on the highway. Jesus Christ, imagine getting rear-ended, spun around, and seeing a semi coming towards you. No apparent injuries, but one person has learned a very powerful lesson in driving. Both drivers braked hard just in time, preventing a serious accident.
Olha só, aí ó, tombou, tombou. Entendeu? Tá dianteiro, caminhão.
The car suddenly lost control, swerved into the opposite lane, and caused a chain reaction crash involving multiple vehicles. You've just witnessed moments where fate and fury collide, powerful reminders that every turn on the road holds a lesson. Stay alert, stay alive, because safety will always be your strongest shield. Like, share, and subscribe as we uncover more untold stories from the world's wildest highways.